So time for the moment of truth, guys. I'm curious to see how this is gonna work. Welcome back to my channel. So as you guys could tell by the title, I am trying out these new lashes by Ardell. They are called the Ardell Aqua Lashes. So these are pretty much no adhesive lashes. They are water activated. I haven't seen any reviews on this, and I don't know, I haven't seen any other review on it, so I guess I'm pretty much the first one. I don't know, maybe. If anyone has heard or have seen any reviews on these lashes, please let me know. I'm super curious to see how they work, because they are, you don't need any lash glue, you don't need like anything, they're not magnetic. They pretty much activate with water, guys. So I'm super curious. Before we get into this kind of experiment kind of type video, if you're new to my channel and haven't subscribed, make sure you're subscribed, hit the bell so that you're notified each time I upload. Leave your comments down below, give this video a big thumbs up, and let's just get into this video, guys. I'm curious. I need to know how this is gonna work. All right, so I'm gonna pretty much remove my lashes. Do you guys see what lashes just, like, I'm bald now. I'm pretty much bald. My lashes are gone. So I'm going to open the packaging, guys. I'm so curious to see how this is going to work. What? Water activated lashes? Really? And it doesn't really even say much on here. They just have like pictures on the back on pretty much what to do. So they say pretty much fit the lash to your eyes, and then dip it in water and then just apply. So let's see how this is gonna work. Oh, it does come with some instructions. It looks like it's in Chinese though. Okay, let me read to you guys what it says. It says it's an easy 3-step application. Step 1, check fit. So align band with natural lash line to check for fit. Remove lash tabs by trimming each end. Trim any excess lash for fit if necessary. Activate the adhesive. Immerse lash band in warm water for 10 to 15 seconds. Ensure lash band is fully saturated before applying to lash line. Next step is apply lashes. Secure lash band by pressing onto lash line. To remove, saturate a cotton swab with water and apply along the lash band. Gently peel away lash strips starting from the outer corner. Anyways, so you pretty much dip the lashes in the water, guys. So I'm gonna see if these pretty much fit my eye shape. Where are my tweezers? Okay, so off the bat, the lash band itself is super thick, and I hate these types of lashes. I hate a thick lash band. That's like a no for me already. And let me just show you guys what the lashes look like. So the two ends have like excess lash band on it. So I'm pretty much gonna like clip those parts off. But it pretty much fits my eyes regardless. Like I say in all my videos, Ardell's lashes pretty much fit my eye shape. Okay, so pretty much already my number one no for these lashes is the lash band, but I guess that's pretty much why they made it, so that, I don't know, I'm just super curious. So I'm gonna go ahead and dip this in water, and I'll be right back to show you guys the application. Alright guys, so I'm gonna pretty much apply the lash on my tweezer, and I cut out a plastic cup and pretty much put the water in it like this so that I'm able to dip the lash in. Time for the moment of truth, guys. I'm curious to see how this is gonna work. So I'm gonna dip the lash into the water now. Okay, it's dipped, and I'm gonna try and apply it. Let's see. Guys, I am shook. What? These are literally sticking to my eyes, guys. No, it actually works, guys. I was doubting this so bad, but it actually works. I'm gonna do the other side. I'm like super excited right now because what? The only thing with this is like the actual lashes are gonna get wet by the water, but alright guys, so this is pretty much it. It's on. I'm super shook because it actually works. It actually works. I don't know if it's reusable, so we're gonna have to see, but it works. So I think I am pretty much the first person to ever try these. So if you guys do come across it in the stores, I'm just gonna let you guys know it does work. It's not fake, like it's different, but it's not fake. It actually works. So all you have to do is dip the lashes in water and it's self-adhesive. So that's pretty much it for this video, guys. I just came on here to pretty much test this out with you guys and see if it actually works. And clearly it does. I think next time I'm gonna get a more dramatic lash because these are pretty natural. You guys don't really see it on, but they're on, they're sticking. The only thing about these lashes that I want to know is if I can reuse them. So do I have to keep dipping them in water? Like how many times can I wear them? So that's pretty much it for this video, guys. I hope you guys enjoyed this little test try out type video. If you guys want me to do more videos like this on my channel, please recommend some products. I'm open to pretty much anything. But yeah, hope you guys enjoyed this video and I will see you guys in my next one. Bye guys.